The past, perfect. Continuous tense is often used in travel conversations to describe actions that were ongoing or in progress in the past. It is used to express the idea that an action started in the past, continued for some time, and was still ongoing at a specific point in the past. This tense is particularly handy when recounting extended journeys or trips that took place over a period of time. For example, if you want to talk about a journey you took last summer, you could say, "I had been traveling through Europe for 2 weeks when I finally arrived in Paris." In this sentence, the past perfect continuous, had been traveling, highlights the ongoing nature of the journey throughout the 2 weeks. Another example could be, they had been exploring the ancient ruins for hours before they stumbled upon the hidden tomb. In this case, the past perfect continuous, had been exploring, emphasizes the continuous nature of their exploration before they made the discovery. When recounting an extended journey, the past perfect continuous tense helps to provide a sense of duration and continuity to the storytelling. It allows the listener to visualize the journey unfolding over time and understand the progression of events. Here are a few more examples of using the past perfect continuous tense in travel conversations. We had been driving for days when we finally reached the remote village. She had been backpacking across South America for several months before she decided to settle down in Brazil. The train had been chugging along the tracks for hours before it came to a sudden stop. In each of these examples, the past perfect continuous tense adds depth and context to the travel narrative, painting a vivid picture of the journey and the experiences along the way. In conclusion, the past perfect continuous tense is a valuable tool for ESL students to master when discussing extended journeys or trips in travel conversations. By using this tense effectively, students can bring their travel experiences to life and engage listeners with their storytelling.